Good day again guys and welcome to Doc Ivan Answers. Our question for today is by Ma'am Irene Estone. So, hello Doc, ilang years po ba masasabi na cancer-free ka na sa thyroid pag laging negative ang mga tests? Ito yung mga parameters para masabing thyroid cancer-free na po kayo. Yung symptoms mo, blood test, TG, anti-TG, and yung mga imaging studies, ultrasound ng thyroid and or yung whole body scan. Itong mga to tinitignan as a whole kung thyroid cancer-free ka na nga or hindi. To answer your question, ilang years na kailangan negative ka, wala po tayong guidelines doon. Kasi remember, kapag cancer ang usapan, kahit 5 years, 10 years, 20 years ka nang walang cancer or negative dun sa mga surveillance na ginagawa natin, andun pa rin yung chance na bumalik siya. So ang importante, kailangan yung bantayan. Be it yearly, every 2 years, or every 5 years, depende dun sa endocrinologist mo. So in short, the parameters will determine if you are thyroid cancer-free as of that time. So hopefully I've answered your question, Ma'am Irene. If you still have questions, please comment nyo lang po dun sa baba. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys!